Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milky Way Art Design. So today I have this short video where I'm going to show you if the layering of different paints for bloom, if it matters with the composition. So let's start. So the colors that I have today is like this one is Zeus mixed with Nicolazo Gold from Golden. Second color that I'm going to show you is this beautiful blue color. It's also from TLP and the name of the color is Waterfall. Next color is this beautiful Nightfall. Then I have Indian Yellow from Try Art. This one is my custom color, which is basically the mixture of ganache and funk, these two mixed together. So it's kind of an interesting combination. And the last color that I have, Parakeet from TLP again. So let me pour some base coat on the, I'm using a little spoon to pour the base coat on top of my tile, because otherwise it becomes too messy to handle for me. So yeah, here we go. So now on the first tile, I'm going to layer them on top of each other and see how it goes. I have gold. And my base, actually my cell activator is going to be Cobalt Teal, which is from Try Art. Okay, so let's do this. Okay. I'm not sure if I like this combination. You guys have to tell me. So interesting color combination, I have to say it, but this is how it looks like. Now let me layer it in a different way and see the difference between the two layering. So new tile, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add them not concentrically, That means I'm kind of layering them side by side. I'm putting the blue against opposite direction of the purple, parakeet opposite direction of the yellow. I'm just trying to make sure that I have different shades of colors in every angle. Last time I forgot to add the zeus. I'm adding in here. Let's see if it makes any difference. Some gold. Still activator cobalt blue from Triad. Let's do this. Okay. Let me put a puff in the center. Okay, so on this one you can see that the zeus is on that side. This side I have the yellow mango, Indian yellow, purple on this side, blue on that side. So I think this way of layering gives you a little bit more variety, less cohesiveness on the tile. But I cannot compare this one with the previous 100% because that one didn't have the zeus, which I think made a huge difference. So you know what, I'll do another one. This time I will work on a 6" by 6" canvas. This is messy, but I just wanted to do this. So I'm thinking I'm going to do a concentrated one, but I'll start with parakeet in the center. Mixture of ganache and funk. I'm always very cautious how I pronounce this. You know what I mean. let's do some black cell activator, which is from Triad. On top of that, I am adding the cobalt blue. Now let's blow. I'm using the back of my plastic spoon to do some modification, and the reason I picked it because I feel like that will give me more dramatic effect instead of using a kebab skewer. That's why I predominantly use the back of the spoon. So let's see. At this point it looks really pretty, doesn't it? But I need to spin some more. So this is what I have. You guys have to tell me. I'm not sure if I like this color or not. You guys have to tell me if we are very fond of this color or not, because I am honestly lost. I'm not sure if I like it. Probably not. That's why I'm saying that. I'm cleaning up all the spoons. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my videos, please hit the like button, send some comments in my way, tell me what do you think, if you like it or not. Whatever you have to say, be honest with me. I can take it, trust me. And thanks for being a big supporter of my channel. So this is what we have. I will let it dry and we'll talk about it tomorrow more. I like the consistency of my paints today. So yeah, that's a progress. This is the first one. This is the second one. So now let's look at the dried result. The first one that you can see, this one was the first tile where I layered each paint on top of each other, staggered them, and then I did the blooms. So you can see that I love one thing about this technique is that you can see that the cells, they have definition. So yeah, that's the advantage I would see. I would say that they have. The other one, the second one, let's look at this one. This one, you can see that the cells are way more spread out everywhere, and you can see the the white showing through here and there, because I did not stack the paintings on top of each other, rather than I kind of put them right next to each other. So these are the two different scenarios. I just wanted to show you how they are different. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, bye.